This is it.
1994 Mazda MX-5 Miata, 5-speed manual, C package, some modifications.
Do you know what the C stands for?
Co-
Damn it. That was too easy.
Way too easy.
Ew!
Better be
Look at
one
that
line,
roll
please.
bar.
That roll bar's nasty.
That's like a bow
it looks
tie.
like a fucking Hello Kitty bow.
No, it's titties. It is titties.
That robot looks pre-crash.
It takes a lot out of it for me personally. That looks like shit.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Limp
Could you
dog.
imagine putting that sticker on there and being like, yeah.
I think it comes that way
Ugh.
because they all have the hard dog sticker.
Yeah.
This is it.
94 NA.
Yep.
So 94 is
ultimate
the
driving.
first year of the 1.8. So it's got the right motor.
Yeah, it's cool. The red and tan, I like. I think that looks pretty cool.
Aspiring hairdressers do like this color combo.
I don't know. I'm not sold on it.
I'm not sold on it because it's not slammed on its nuts with hot boy wheels. Like Miatas just don't look right. No, Miatas just don't look right.
It's halfway to hot boy status though because it's a pretty obvious Mako paint job.
Oh
Yeah.
Yeah, like I need more hot boy for this to look right to me.
Hopefully that trunk is open because otherwise that panel gap is horrendous.
Oh yeah, it probably is, but because I think it was open. Oh, no, it's a really bad panel gap.
That trunk stepped
Wow.
off that car.
Good eye.
Detective Fucci's on the case.
What is this shit?
Yeah. I
like a-
thought the seats looked weird. I was like,
That's
I saw him like through the windshield. I was like, what's up with
like
that?
do you think that's a recover? Do you think that's
I don't think
Yeah.
I've ever
It's a-
seen
it's
that
a
ever.
shitty, super
Well, no, like
shitty
I'm
recover.
saying, yeah, like I'm saying, like, do you think, like, obviously it's not factory, but do you think, like, you could pull that off in the original seats under it?
Because look, you can see the difference between the top headrest and like everything below it. Like
Well,
the
like,
color
even like the
difference.
driver and the passenger seat, like, the driver one's seen a million miles worth of farts and the passenger seat hasn't.
The passenger one looks loose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
The
the
wind
fact
seat.
that it's like the color of skin makes it worse.
Yeah,
Hmm.
it's like a Nazi lampshade.
I want to see the inside of the trunk.
Wait. Oh,
got the Blaupunkt.
Blaupunkt.
CD changer.
Yeah. Got the CD changer.
All right, here we go. I see overspray.
The bolts have been spun. That's the first thing you're going to notice. So
Yeah.
this is what I used to do. So if you take a look at the bolts on there, how the paint's all chewed up on them. It's
Oh
been
yeah,
fun.
so the trunk's been off.
Trunk's been off. It does have a VIN sticker on there. You'd have to look and see if that matches the VIN of the car.
Got the
Blaupunkt.
compact disc changer. Come on, guys.
There's a keeper.
Remember getting out of your car in the 90s and
Wait,
loading
wait,
CDs
wait,
in the
wait.
trunk?
Those bolts look like they've been spun too, like that bolt in the back.
And if you go back,
should
it looks
be
like
red.
the fender's missing a bolt.
Yep. So
on
that
the
thing
other
got
side.
fucked on the passenger side, it looks like.
Oh yeah, I mean the whole thing's a respray. Like if you look at the headlight covers.
Yeah, but like it's like if a Mako respray is not going to pull the panels to do it. So like it was in an accident.
Yeah, this
Look
thing
up,
Yeah.
look up in the cowls, like
Yeah.
the complete
Yeah,
difference.
it's
in
been
paint.
off.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's missing.
Yeah, that's missing a bolt back there too.
But yeah, obvious respray on the whole thing. Look at the overspray here.
Wow. Got a nice little tint to it.
It's a Mako job.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. All right. How much did this thing cost?
If it's more than 10 grand, you got robbed. Oh, you didn't get robbed.
$7,600, 106,000 miles.
Seems a
Complete
little-
Look at the known
respray.
flaws.
Seems a little high.
Chip and windshield, crack in passenger side, windshield cowl, power antenna no longer working, curb rash, and paint flake on factory 14-inch alloy wheels. Door locks no longer working. Right horn button on steering wheel no longer working. Some wear on console plastics, spare tire, and floor mats missing. Some rust on suspension parts and on Torsen LSD housing.
Apparently, it's got a new soft top on it, so that's nice.
Full exterior repaint in 2021.
You don't. So this thing got fucked because you do not take off panels for a repaint.
Not unless, well, you do if you really care about the
Yeah,
car.
I'm gonna when I paint the Sylvia, that thing is getting stripped. Doors are coming off,
like,
fenders are coming off.
Like if you really care about the car, you pull all the
94
panels.
Miata with a Mako
that's
paint
it,
job.
right.
Yeah, there is
Yeah.
no way they took off the panels for that shitty of a paint job.
Yeah.
This is like body shop special.
Look at Lamborghinis all fucking bah humbugging down there. A Miata.
120 what? Yeah, asshole, it's not like they made a million of these or anything. It's not like it's the most common sports car in the world or anything.
Yeah,
Of
and,
course
like-
there's a lot of them.
And people want them, like so. And if you're mad about it, why even fucking click and look on
like,
that?
You
Like,
know
just-
what you're gonna, you know what you're gonna get with this.
Go back to bat, asshole.
There's no Miatas on bat.
Go buy another 911.
You
Well, he said they
know-
included
yeah.
pictures of the painting process.
Oh yeah, all right. You know what you're gonna get for this thing.
Oof.
Oof.
There's a fucking Liberty Walk GTR.
Yikes.
Ew.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Gross.
Gross, but also, huh.
Couple of dings fixed here and there. They talked about fixing that rust spot on the bottom of the quarter panel there.
That's
Yeah.
pretty based cardboard box there in the back.
That's super genuine parts box.
Yep. Mm-hmm. I've got a ton of those motherfuckers.
Sell that
What are
on
they
eBay,
building
dude.
back there? What is that
Hmm.
kind of shoved in the corner? Is that a S30?
Yeah, I would say. Look, just judging by that little back window.
Notice how the panels aren't
Wow.
off, and they didn't show you pictures of the before.
Well, go back to that other picture and see if the trunk's still out of line in that other picture. Yeah, it's still way off.
Yeah, so this thing got fucked, and then they repainted it.
I mean, it could just be Mazda build quality,
Yeah.
honestly.
No, because the bolts were off when
Look at the door. Look at
Yeah.
the panel in that door.
Yeah, they fixed the ding. It had a high spot and they fixed
No,
it.
but,
They had a
I'm
low
talking about
spot.
the gap, the panel gap.
Oh yeah.
it got fucked on the passenger side at some point.
Yeah,
in it.
Kitty,
Yeah.
Kitty said it maybe it was repaired before the guy got it, and I think that.
Yeah, for sure.
I think that is.
That was 100% accurate.
Yeah, I mean, it's just, you can find an NA Miata that this hasn't happened to, so why
Right.
bother with this?
Yeah. Yeah. Look at, dude. Go back. Look at that panel gap in the trunk and go to the next picture. It's
Trunk's
ridiculous.
way out of line.
Ridiculous.
It's like shifted.
Yeah.
This is something that they bailed on Cars and Bids. Like, if you saw this in person and had half a goddamn clue, you would walk away from it. So
Yeah.
Why didn't
whoever,
they take the antenna off?
'Cause it doesn't work.
whoever,
Would fucking take it off and unscrew it and bring it in. Oh, you know what? I bet they weren't able to get it out because it was stuck up.
Yeah, it's stuck up. You got
Yeah, that makes
down.
sense.
Yeah.
Look at, God, there's just overspray. Well, maybe that's dust.
No.
No.
Yeah.
But
No,
there is
that's
overspray
overspray.
everywhere on this thing,
Yeah.
though. Yeah.
Overspray.
Well,
Look
it's
at it
a
on
pile.
that door seal. Yeah. Ugh.
we've crapped on this Miata.
yeah. We dumped on this one enough. This is a pile of shit.
Yeah, nobody likes it. You done fucked up if you bought this.
4 thumbs down. 5 thumbs down.
Yeah.
323i Touring.
Oh,
I
these
hate
wagons.
this.
You don't like wagons?
I just hate
You
this.
hate this one specifically.
If it had a stick, I'd be about it.
Yeah. Automatic 2.5 liter. Who gives a fuck?
I think it's cool.
Like the wagon part of it is cool, but like I can see the rest. Like it's the wagon is cool, but it suffers from the automatic and all the other stupid shit.
It's a Euro model.
Yeah.
It's got the
It
Euro.
said it was imported.
Ugh.
So this is KDM, Kraut domestic market.
EDM, right? Does this one have the Blaupunkt?
It's got the sport
No.
seats with cloth. That's interesting.
The budget punked.
I don't think I've ever seen the sports seat in cloth. I've always seen it in leather. That's interesting.
Well, how often are you looking in the inside of a 323i wagon?
Don't you worry about it.
Don't
Look at
you?
all those adjustments, those seat adjustments.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
That's the. Well, yeah. What year is this too?
95 or something?
Okay. Yeah, it's a
96.
little pre when I was playing with these. So
Yeah, 96. And
That
it's
fucking net in the back is cool.
that's like a factory thing too, right? Like it
Yeah,
just,
yeah, 'cause you can see where it hooks up there at the top, like it
yeah.
retracts from the bottom, and you hook it up there.
Put your dog back there.
I think it's a cool
Or
car.
your kids, you know, whatever.
It's a great car for like a handyman or a plumber or something. It's just
Or yeah, just like a fucking normal guy. I'm not gonna track it.
I don't.
Like, I'm just gonna drive it to work. And it's a wagon.
SMH, dude.
how much did this sell for?
Under 10 grand, I think. $9,800.
So it's a Celica Plus.
Yeah.
Give me that Celica.
I would take this
All
over
day.
I would take this over the GTS.
Ugh. They're two different. Well, okay, but the thing is, they're two completely different cars.
Segments.
you know?
But we're also talking in terms of just value. Like,
Yeah.
This
yeah,
would probably get expensive soon too.
this is true.
Why would this thing get expensive soon?
No,
though?
and like
It's-
maintenance. I mean,
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
not value.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
for
know,
sure.
this is not going to appreciate.
Yeah,
like,
this
the
is an
GTS.
almost. This is a
This is like the
over
this is like a Dodge
25-year-old.
Dart. Like this thing is never gonna increase in value.
Hey, you should check
and-
collectorcarfeed.com for Celica GTSs, because that would be a solid buy for an investment. Or an EP3 Civic SI.
Those things are coming. Right around the corner, it's going to be their time. But we're going to stay focused on the cars and bids. We are not going to look up Facebook Marketplace cars.
Yeah.
We're going to... Yet. Oh,
Yet.
Jesus. How long have we fucking been doing this?
Dude, we've been
We
doing
got
it
like
for
10 more
forever.
minutes in me.
Little did they know, we were just getting started. Collector Car Feed, now with over 505 subscribers. Sure hope I don't catch up to the actual subscriber count. Hit subscribe already.
God damn it.